that this Harambee is for border circles. It is not for all the borders. Borders who are not members of the circle are not part of this Harambee. This Harambee is Harambee for those who are in the circles. And we want to do this to encourage everybody to come to the circles. Because circles is the only way to develop yourself. Don't work for hand to mouth. Ilok rija donga ich. Madako bedi weni wadu, yanito na weni ngano. So, let us not be jodonga ich. Let us save in our circles. You save, you borrow, you have the discipline to do business with the money you have borrowed, and you repay. You have to have the discipline to do what? To repay. And once you repay, you develop and you continue on. So that is the only way to go. The way of handouts is something which should be a thing of the people. Because you are giving somebody 500 shillings, 200 shillings, he goes and eats it, and then so what? Things are back to normal. Things are just back to where it is. There is no money you have left in the pockets of those people. But when you empower them by giving them opportunity to have their own savings, and you add on top of their own savings, and what you add on top of their own savings is used to lend them money so that they can also buy their own pikipikis. Those who are riding other people's pikipikis, those who are riding others, you should also own yours. You should own yours. And the way you can own yours is to be a member of SACCO, so that you can borrow money yourself. You don't need so many guarantees like the banks. You are not charged very high interest like the other institutions charge border. When you repay twice the price of those pikipikis. So we want you to join SACCOs. Your Excellency, these people of Siaya are supportive of the current government in this broad-based arrangement. This broad-based arrangement is the best arrangement we have had. Me, I have been in arrangement with Kenyatta. I was there during Moi. I was there during Oburu Kenyatta. I was there during Kibaki. I was there during all of them. But I can tell you that this time we have a genuine arrangement which is giving some development to our people. And our people are soon going to see the difference in terms of development. Your Excellency, the Deputy President, people don't appreciate empty rhetorics. Our people appreciate actual development. And what you have started all over the country is doing all actual development and bringing money into the pockets of the ordinary Kenyan. This is the way to go. If you don't bring money into the pockets of these people, they will always revolt. Because these are people, when they accept, they accept. But when they revolt, they also revolt, because they never say, they never cheat anybody. They always speak the truth. And I'm born out of them. I also always speak the truth. Nothing but the truth. So, without much ado, I want to end by calling my brother, Farouk come and do the rest. Now you can invite the others, and the order it will go. It is the Deputy President who will invite our MPs, and our MPs, as you come, you talk and you contribute. You come, you talk and you contribute. You don't talk for free. So thank you very much, and it is the Deputy President who is going to invite them. Thank you very much, Farouk.
Asante sana mzee wetu. Huyo ndio youth leader wa hapa.
Anaitwa Farouk Kibet.
Mnajua huyu mzee?